Hello, students. How are you? I hope all of you will be safe at your home. I understand that everything that I told you so far must have been understood by you. Dear students, today we will discuss about common postural deformities and their corrective measures. Dear students, postural deformity is the malformation of any components or body part or joints of the body. It means malformation of joints and bones. Dear students, look at the diagram. Students, there is lot of kinds of postural deformities like as flat foot, bow leg, scoliosis, kyphosis, lordosis, round shoulder, no knee. Students, kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, these all three are related with our spinal. No knee, bow leg, flat foot, these three are related with our legs. Dear students, just we discuss about no knee, a postural deformity in which both the knees touch or overlap each other in normal standing position. It called be knock knee. Just look at the diagram. There is three positions of our legs: normal alignment, bow leg, and knock knee. Dear students, you can understand the situation of knock knee. In knock knees, the joints of our both knees touch each other and our toes far from each other. Now look at the causes of knock knee. Students, weakness of muscles and ligament. It is the major reason of knock knee. Second, overweight of body. Third, lack of balanced diet. Dear students, जैसा कि हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है कि बैलेंस डाइट प्लेज ए विटाल रोल इन आवर हेल्थ, इन आवर पोस्चर. Now, the last cause of knock knee is lack of vitamin D. Students, here we discuss about the corrective measures of knock knees. Walking on outward inclined surface and applying pressure on the outer edge of the feet. You can correct your knock knees by doing this exercises. Our next point is flat foot. It is a deformity of the feet. In this deformity, there is no arc in the foot and the foot is completely flat. Look at the diagram. There is three pictures of it: normal foot, flat foot, hollow foot. Students, in normal foot there is a arc in our print of foot, and the next picture is flat foot. There is no arc in the print of flat foot, and the next picture is hollow foot. In the hollow foot print of foot, there is a big arc in the hollow foot. Now just discuss about the causes of flat foot: faulty posture, prolonged standing, excessive body weight, lack of proper exercises. Dear students, these are the causes of flat foot. Just discuss about the corrective measures of flat foot. First, heel and toe walking. uh, as जैसे कि we walk on our heels and our toes. Walking on heels, walking on sloping surface means the outer side of our uh, legs, our feet. It called be sloping surface. Now the next point is round shoulders. It is a postural deformity in which the shoulders are drawn, the head is extended with the chin pointing forward. Look at the picture. In the first picture, a man standing in a correct posture, and the second picture, a man with round shoulders standing in bad posture. You can better understand by the pictures. You can see that the in the bad posture, the man bend his head front side. Now look at the causes of round shoulder. Due to poor posture while working, faulty furniture, wrong habits of sitting and standing, carrying heavy weight, heavy load on shoulders, by sleeping on one side. These are the causes of round shoulders. Now look at the corrective measures of round shoulders. Regular exercises, leaning back on the chair. These are the corrective measures of round shoulders. Now just we discuss the next point, kyphosis. It is a deformity of the spine in which there is an increase or exaggeration of the backward curve. Look at the diagram. Normal spine or kyphosis. Students, you can look in the situation of kyphosis, the upper part of our spine is bent backward, and the head of the person come forward. It is the position of kyphosis. Dear students, there we discuss about the causes of kyphosis. Here is habit of holding the head forward in an abnormal manner is the main cause of kyphosis. Now discuss about the corrective measures of kyphosis. Perform dhanurasana regularly. If you perform dhanurasana, then you can relieve from kyphosis. Bend your head backward and standing positions. Reverse sit-ups. Perform Bhujang Asana, perform Usht Asana. Dear students, by the support of these asanas, you can correct your kyphosis. Now, our next point is bow leg. It is a deformity opposites knock knee. In fact, if there is a wide gap between the knees, the deformity can be observed easily. Look at the picture. The first diagram is bow leg, and the second is knock knee, and the third is normal alignment. Just look. In knock knee, our joints of knees touch each other, but in bow leg, our toe and heels touch each other, but the joints are far away from each other. Now, the causes of bow leg is deficiency of calcium and phosphorus. Corrective measures of bow legs: feed calcium to children. Feed calcium or phosphorus to children. You can corrective measures of bow leg. Next point is lordosis. It is a common defect in deformities and posture. Here, lumbar curve becomes more pronounced, and front central position of pelvic region is tilted forward. Look at the picture. Swept way, it means the posture is not correct. The alignment is so down backward. Lumbar lordosis, you can see kyphosis, you can see forward head and good posture. You can better understand by the diagram. Now the causes of lordosis: bad posture. Our bad posture is the main reason of lordosis. Corrective measures of lordosis: forward bending. Forward, just stand in correct posture and bend your upper body part forward, and try to touch your toes with your hands. It is the forward bending. Alternative toe touching. Slope walking. Perform Paschimottanasana. to perform Paschimottanasana, you can corrective measure of lordosis. Our next point is scoliosis. It is a postural deformities in which there may be one large internal curve extending through the whole length of spine. Look at the picture. Pelvic, here our spine bend with the right or left side, it called be scoliosis. The causes of scoliosis: some disease of or injury, can be make our spine bend right or left. And second, adoption of wrong sitting position during study. When we study in bad posture, then it can be reason of scoliosis. Dear student, here is the corrective measures of scoliosis. Perform ardha chakra asana. In the chapter of yogasan, I told you about the ardha chakra asana. According to ardha chakra asana, you can relieve, you can corrective your spine, you can corrective measure of scoliosis. Second, chin-ups. Chin-ups, it means in a horizontal bar, picked up a horizontal bar and pull your whole body weight by your hands up. Swim by using breaststroke technique. By swing, breaststroke technique means in hanging position you can swing your body and perform trikonasana. According to trikonasana, you can corrective measure of scoliosis. And third asana, with the help of third asana, you can also corrective the measure of scoliosis. Dear students, these are the postural deformities, and I understand that you understood better by the help of diagrams and my definitions. Now, this is the end of today's class. Okay, students, goodbye.